Hello peeps, how are you guys today? I am blessed and highly favored in spite of. I was about to eat my snack and it looked so pretty and so colorful that I said, let me turn this camera on so they can see how pretty and how colorful it is too. Look at this. Bam. My kebab. Y'all know I like to play with food and I like colors. We got tomato, cheese. Y'all know I'm getting rid of my spicy mango, dried mango. It is so good. You need to try it. Tomato, sausage, cheese, spicy mango. You know I'm all about sweet and savory too. So let's do it. Sausage. I bite them like that. Pull them off and eat them. But I want all the flavors at one time. Let's try the bite. If that don't work, then we'll go with something else. Sausage. It ain't gonna work. Sausage. Okay, we're just gonna have a mouthful then. Sausage. Mater. Mango. Cheese. Yes, indeed, it's sweeter. That's it. I like food. Food love me. I like fun. Let's do it. All right, y'all. I just want y'all to see. I love Mater. All right. Make you some. Peace out.